Staying warm in freezing weather.
Matt and Susan are discussing what to pack to stay warm while preparing for a trip to Hokkaido.
Susan, have you started packing for our trip to Hokkaido yet?
Not yet, but I've been thinking about what to bring. It's going to be freezing there.
Here's my tip. Start with a good base shirt to stay dry, add a fleece jacket for warmth, and top it off with a waterproof coat.
That sounds smart. I'm bringing a down jacket. It's lightweight, but really warm. Plus, it doesn't take up much space in my luggage.
Great idea. Don't forget wool socks. Cold feet can ruin the whole trip.
I'll pack a few pairs. What about accessories for your head and hands?
I'll bring gloves and a thick scarf. My hands and neck get especially cold in winter.
Same here. Pack some hand warmers just in case. They're really convenient in such a cold place.
Good call. I'll also bring hand cream and moisturizer. The cold air can really dry out your skin.
I almost forgot about that. Thanks for the reminder. Do you think we'll need boots?
Of course. Bring waterproof ones, especially if we're going to be walking in the snow.
Perfect. I think we've got everything covered now. I'm sure we'll stay nice and warm during our trip.